In this video, I want to show you how to control your calls, how to take calls, decline them, and do many sorts of things using your Powerbeats Fit. So each of these, both of them have under the Beats logo a button, so you can press on it and you can do many things. Well, to answer the call once somebody is calling you, simply press once on the Beats logo. To end the call, double press quickly on the Beats logo. If while you're talking to somebody, you're receiving a second call at the same time, well, simply pressing the Beats logo once will put the first call in pause and you're going to answer the second call. If somebody is calling you on your phone and you want to decline, you don't want to talk to that person, you simply have to hold the Beats logo until the call gets cancelled and declined. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please take a moment and leave a like, a comment down below, and subscribe. See you in the next video.